Hello everyone, today in this new video I want to show you how to personalize your display. It's if you can check, for example, in my case, you see I put my display in this configuration. Okay, so I want to show you, because for example here when I close this, you see in the back we have a C. You know, I want to personalize it, to put my name of your logo for your company. Okay, so now we will to do that very easy, very fast. Okay, we can test. Before to do that, try to check if your image is ready. Okay, for example, I go to check here. Okay, I take my image in remote date. I put it in my phone, in local. Okay, I can put here past or a picture. You can come here, try to find the image for my picture. I put it here, picture. Okay, take a picture. Before to start, you check your picture is ready, and I come here, setting, personalization. Okay, run. Okay, it's simple to take this picture. I copy from the temp default. See, temp. This picture I take will be X in my picture directories. I put here. Okay, you can check it. This is okay. First, second. Okay. I remove this. Okay. And this is my virtual. Okay, now I can check my picture as a brawl. I take this. Okay, you have fix, you have fill, fit. For us is fill. Okay, I put here I finish. I take my lock screen. The lock screen, I will do the same. Browser. Okay. And the timeout here will be is correct. 3 hours. You can put 2 hours. Okay, and this I finish. Okay, so we finish. This is my new. Okay, and I say thank you for watching my video. Okay, thanks so much. Bye guys, take care.